After nearly an hour in the air, a dangerously long flight for an already stressed animal, we arrive at the Skakuza bomas. The baby is released from the sling, and we land. I'm the first one out of the chopper. I need to know if she's all right.
She's breathing. She's still breathing. Breathing.
The local vet here confirms. This little one.
What we're doing is we're just making sure that this baby is stable. She's had about a 45-minute flight now. It's been a traumatic day for her, and as soon as she can be put into the boma, just quiet and easy, the better. You know, when you look at this, it's a monumentous effort by Sam Parks. It's a monumentous effort by a whole team of people here.
Blood and DNA samples are collected by the local vets, and they